we can hear it. Being straight across, isn't it?
Well, we've got to go up that hill. And Abigail is like a mule, and she's up that hill.
Oh, there we go. That's what I love about her. She is eccentric as hell.
She looks like a Chanel model. Come on.
It's so good. Right, yes, we should go up here. It's much nearer than I thought.
I know.
What are the sort of orange flowers you seem to see around? That's what you have to do roasting. Hi.
Finally.
It's like you want to plant a flag and say,
Leave this in the name of me. So this is what it's all about. There must be someone who lives around here. Oh well, here's the view. Ooh. Do you know what? There's so much more to explore.